Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to merge two columns in Smartsheet. This is a really useful skill to have, especially if you work with a lot of data. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate your support, and I'm glad that my content is helping you learn new things. Question: have you ever had a situation where you needed to merge two columns in Smartsheet? Maybe you wanted to combine two lists of data, or maybe you just wanted to make your spreadsheet look cleaner and more organized. If you've ever had this problem, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two columns in Smartsheet using a simple formula. Step 1. Open your Smartsheet spreadsheet. Step 2. Select the two columns that you want to merge. Step 3. Click on the Home tab. Step 4. Click on the Insert button. Step 5. Select Column. Step 6. Type the following formula into the new column. Equals concatenate A1, B1. Step 7. Press Enter. Step 8. The two columns will be merged into the new column. Additional tips: you can use this formula to merge any number of columns. You can also use this formula to merge columns with different data types, such as text and numbers. If you want to add a separator between the merged columns, you can simply add it to the formula. For example, you could use the following formula to merge two columns with a comma separator. Equals concatenate A1, comma, B1. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to merge two columns in Smartsheet. I hope this tip is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.